Today I will be showing you how to get a very pretty preppy keyboard. So the app you need to download is SwiftKey. Just open it and then go to it will tell you what to do when you open it. It will just follow the instructions. And then when you're at this page after you've done everything in the start, just click themes. Yeah, click themes. So you can get all of these ones in here. But the better way to get a keyboard is look at this preppy keyboard. So if you're at this page, go to custom right here, and then click start or add something. Yeah, I made a couple, but yeah. Okay, so when you click start, you'll see this page, and you'll see this little add image thing. Click it, and that button is the picture you want to set for your keyboard. So yeah, I'm gonna pick. So for example, I picked this picture, and you can crop it kind of for your keyboard. So I just crop it like that, and you can also choose the background darkness. You can make it very dark, medium dark, or very bright. I'm gonna do very bright. Ooh. So there, you got your keyboard, but make sure you press symbols, because if you don't press this symbol thing, you just have to go to this number and just click these kind of buttons. If you're lazy about that, click symbols here, turn it on, and then there you go. There are the symbols on the normal keyboard, and if you want to press it, just hold it down and it'll become that. So and after you're done of everything, just click save over here in the corner, and then there you go, your new keyboard. And if you want to use that keyboard, just go here. Go to a random website that you can type in, and then just there we go, and just choose your keyboard choose your keyboard. I'm using SwiftKey right now. Here, I'm using it, and there, your keyboard is ready. So bye.